What you're looking at is a planet we didn't even know existed until now. NASA has just announced the discovery of the most Earth-like planet we've ever found. And it's not just another distant rock. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we now have confirmation that life exists beyond Earth. That's right. After years of observations and exhaustive analysis, scientists have uncovered unmistakable signs of life on Proxima B, a rocky exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light-years away. This isn't speculation. This isn't ambiguous data. It's the clear, repeatable evidence we've been searching for since the beginning of the modern space age. The revelation didn't come in whispers, it came in a thunderclap of data. Using its cutting-edge instruments, JWST recorded high-resolution spectral readings of Proxima B's atmosphere. And what those readings revealed stunned scientists around the world. Proxima B's atmosphere contains a potent mix of biosignature gases, most notably, a combination of oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide that should not coexist unless something is actively replenishing them. Even more shocking was the detection of isoprene-like molecules and dimethyl sulfide, gases that, on Earth, are largely produced by plankton and microbial life. These results were not one-off anomalies. They've been confirmed through multiple observations. The chemical signatures are clear, consistent, and biologically meaningful. These aren't signs of volcanoes or random chemistry. These are signs of life. Proxima B has intrigued scientists since its discovery in 2016. It lies in the habitable zone of its star, the region where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. It's slightly more massive than Earth and likely has a rocky surface. But the biggest concern was always the violent nature of its host star. Red dwarfs are known for powerful solar flares that could strip a planet's atmosphere. Yet Proxima B has defied expectations. Not only has it retained its atmosphere, but that atmosphere is rich, stable, and apparently biologically active. JUIC's observations even suggest subtle seasonal variations in gas levels, hinting at cycles, perhaps biological ones. This isn't just about a habitable planet anymore. This is a living world. This discovery changes everything. It shatters the old idea that Earth is somehow a rare cosmic accident. It confirms what many have long suspected. Life is not a fluke, it's a natural result of the right conditions. And if life can arise around a red dwarf star, a type of star that makes up 75% of those in the Milky Way, then life may be far more common than we ever imagined. Red dwarfs were once considered poor candidates for habitability. Their planets are often tidally locked, facing their star with one side forever in daylight and the other in darkness. And their flares can be intense. But Proxima B's life-bearing atmosphere suggests that alien ecosystems can adapt, or even thrive, under these strange conditions. JUIC's data suggest metabolic processes similar to photosynthesis, adapted to the planet's dim, reddish sunlight. The coexistence of methane and oxygen, gases that would normally cancel each other out unless continually replenished, points to ongoing biological activity. There may even be oceans beneath the clouds, or microbial colonies, or something entirely unknown to Earth. Though we haven't seen life directly, the evidence is overwhelming. The atmospheric chemistry doesn't match what we'd expect from geology alone. And from a technological standpoint, this is a historic triumph. JWST has proven itself not just as a powerful space observatory, but as the first instrument to directly detect signs of life beyond Earth. It has read the fingerprints of biology in the light of another world. It's as if we've smelled the scent of life through light alone, across an interstellar gulf. Years of development, countless scientists, billions of dollars in investment, all of it led to this moment. The telescope peered into the dark, and brought back the most profound news imaginable. We are not alone. The timing couldn't be more relevant. As our planet faces climate change, political unrest, and resource challenges, the confirmation of life elsewhere offers a kind of cosmic clarity. It reminds us that Earth is not the center of all things. Life doesn't need to look like us, or live where we live, or evolve the way we did. It can emerge anywhere, under alien skies, on distant shores. And Proxima B is our first proof of that. This is not just a scientific milestone. It's a philosophical earthquake. What does it mean that life has begun elsewhere? How many other planets might harbor life? Could some support intelligent civilizations? Are we glimpsing alien biology, or the early stages of a sentient ecosystem? Are we separated by distance, or by time? This changes how we see ourselves in the universe. Life has now emerged at least twice. Once on Earth, and once on a planet orbiting a small red star. And if it's happened twice, in nearby cosmic terms, it's likely happened countless times across the galaxy. This breakthrough also redefines the future of space science. JWST has given us a roadmap. No longer are we speculating, we have the means to detect, confirm, and study life beyond Earth. The discovery will accelerate funding, launch new missions, and inspire the next generation of space exploration. Missions to Proxima Centauri, once theoretical, now have a target with a purpose. Biosignature detection will become a primary objective in exoplanet studies. New instruments will be designed to image, sample, and analyze alien atmospheres. There is renewed hope for discovering oceans beneath ice, clouds teeming with microbial life, even alien forests or glowing sea creatures drifting through unknown atmospheres. Proxima B has turned science fiction into scientific ambition. The field of xenobiology, once considered speculative, is now an active frontier of real research. We're on the verge of studying how alien life operates under different conditions, higher radiation, different gravity, unique atmospheres. Each discovery will expand what we think life is, and what it can be. This moment validates decades of astrobiological research, the study of extremophiles, planetary habitability, and simulated alien ecosystems. All of it now leads to real data, real life on a real world. But Proxima B may not be alone. The Proxima Centauri system could host other planets or moons. JWST has opened the curtain on one world, but what lies just beyond the edge? Are there other cradles of life waiting to be found? We are now witnessing a shift, a moment in history when Earth stopped being the only known harbor of life. Proxima B is no longer a mystery. It is a symbol of possibility. A new kind of mirror, one that reflects not what we are, but what else could be. Life is no longer a miracle of Earth. It is a law of the universe. In practical terms, this discovery has reignited discussions of interstellar travel. 4 light-years is a vast distance, but now it carries purpose. Technologies like laser sail probes, nuclear propulsion, and long-duration missions no longer seem hypothetical. They're steps toward reaching a living world. A world with its own air. Its own biochemistry. Its own evolutionary path. This is no longer about exploration. It's about contact, with nature, with biology, with something beyond ourselves. And all of this, every molecule of evidence, every atmospheric fingerprint, was made possible by the James Webb Space Telescope. A golden mirror drifting in the dark, listening to the cosmos, and returning with a whisper. Life is out there. And we have found it. This isn't the end of the story. It's the first chapter. The beginning of a new era of discovery. A spark that will ignite 1,000 questions, a million dreams. What lies beneath Proxima B's clouds? What kind of life exists there? Could something be watching us, just as we are now watching them? The answers may take years, or generations. But the journey has begun. The silence of the stars has been broken. The universe has spoken. And it said, we are not alone.